Today it's Mark here again, and today we're going to be looking at the Charvel Satchel signature model. Now, the cool thing about this guitar is it's Bengal green, and anyone who knows me knows that green guitars are kind of my favorite, but that's not the only cool feature about this guitar. This guitar has an alder body. It's got Fishman Fluence Classics. It's got a three-way switch and a single volume, a Floyd Rose FRT 1000 series. You've got your Charvel neck, which feels awesome. It's a 12-16 radius, nice frets on it, tuning pegs, lock nut, the whole deal. The contours in the back are just fairly standard. I do like the satin finish. The funniest thing to me is my strap has never done this before, but being that it's a satchel model, I think that might be on purpose. I'm not really sure. We'll jump right into the pickups here just because I've never played the Fluence before, so they're new to me, and it's kind of a cool feature. These are the classics, which are kind of, regular, but it's also got this push-pull pot. So what this push-pull pot does in the neck pickup, it gives you kind of a fat PAF sound, and it does the same in the bridge, so in the middle it gives you that as well. So I'm going to play it just a chord or two, and then I'll switch over to the other option, then move on to the next. So for instance, now I'll activate it. Activate it. As you can see, it adds quite a bit of thickness and beef to the sound. On the cleans bridge, I don't notice it much, but I think on single note lines you would notice it a lot more, especially in the neck position. For instance, if I just do like a all in all, this guitar is really cool. It's worth checking out, and please subscribe and ring that bell for future content. Have a great day.